Happy New Year, fuckers. Happy New Year. A toast to 2019 from ArchieLuxury, coming from my suite at Crown Casino. Crown Casino. May your wristwatch fantasies come true. Winner, winner, chicken dinner in 2019.
Hello, I'm Paul Pluter, and welcome to the Archibald Chesterfield III program, the ArchieLuxury program. Today, guys, I want to show you the exclusive world of the super rich. The Mahogany room is Crown's premium, high-rolling floor for professional gamers. Professional gamblers, I should say. And I want to introduce you to the Crystal Club. This here is where the super rich check in to the Crown Casino Hotel. The Crystal Club, an exclusive check-in club for people who are staying in the very, very beautiful ground suites, for high stakes gamblers, the professional punter, the ruling classes. The Crystal Club, what is it exactly? It's an exclusive concierge service. It offers so much to the well-heeled punter. The Crystal Club offers an exclusive private lounge in one of the leading casino hotels of the world. It has a private check-in, concierge facilities, and this service itself there is discreetly located, so the hoi polloi don't get a whiff of this exclusive air. Basically, the super rich, you check into your suite via the Crystal Club. You check in, you are then ushered to your room, and the Crystal Club serves as the place to have your breakfast, light snacks, and evening canapes. Unwind after a long day of meetings or touring. Meet friends for pre-dinner drinks, or plan the day ahead over breakfast with free Wi-Fi. This is very much a cozy club atmosphere for the super rich. Unparalleled luxury, unparalleled attention to detail. This here is for the super rich traveler. Crystal Club itself is more than just a fancy concierge service. Crystal Club is a way of life for the super rich to tour the world. Melbourne's Crown Casino has become one of the leading gaming points of interest for the international professional gambler. This is a point of interest for the seasoned punter. Crystal Club itself offers a level of exclusivity rarely seen on Australian shores. This is the home of the super rich punter. And I've got to be completely frank and honest with you. Although I was only at Crystal Club for a very limited time, I completely get it. I completely get it. It's an exclusive environment. It's an exclusive place for the well-heeled person to be. Crystal Club is an option in some of the cheaper suites, and I would highly recommend you experience Crystal Club once in your life. Crown Casino Crystal Club, one of the most exclusive clubs in Australia. I very am privileged to present this video to my audience. I hope you go away understanding what the super rich, the lifestyle and the attributes they have to strive to this level of perfection. The Crystal Club itself is a very closed door environment. This is very rarely seen. Crown Casino has very graciously let Archibald Chesterfield III film inside this private sanctuary to bring this dimension of ambience to the ArchieLuxury audience. Crystal Club itself is not to be confused with the Mahogany Room. Mahogany Room is a gaming facility area. It's a restricted area for high net worth gamblers. Crystal Club itself is more of a check-in facility for the super rich. Nothing is too much trouble at Crystal Club. It's ultra exclusive. It's ultra just ultra amazing and chic. Whilst this type of luxury may seem superfluous to a lot of ArchieLuxury viewers, this is how people with international jets, private Learjets, facilitate transfers around the globe. Facilities like Crystal Club brings a whole new type of punter to Melbourne, Australia. This is the premium luxury segment. If James Bond was being recast today, Crystal Club would feature in the recording. It's an ultra exclusive. This is not for everyone. It's not for the hoi polloi. This is not your budget punter. This is the lifestyle, the ambience of the super rich. I would like to thank Crown Casino for allowing me into Crystal Club. I would like to thank my gracious host, the Soyce brothers. And I would also like to thank Jesus for letting me see what Crystal Club looks like. It's an absolute honor. It's a highlight of my touring life that I get to see the exclusive Crystal Club at Crown Casino. Crystal Club itself is something that only the super rich, the elite, the Illuminati would be aware of. Crystal Club is the type of person who buys an S-Class, buys a Maserati Quattroporte. This is the type of person where money is no object. Crystal Club delivers a level of exclusivity that normal punters will never understand or appreciate. It's not an easy course choosing Crystal Club over standard check-in and standard concierge service. In fact, many people would be puzzled as to why you would go to such extent of expense but Crystal Club itself is like an ultra exclusive concierge service for the ultra rich. I hope you can see this behind the scenes lines here. I hope you can see what it's like to be in the most exclusive hotels around the world, to see Crystal Club itself. Please be aware these videos were shot here in complete secrecy. This is a strictly limited showing for the Archibald Chesterfield III audience. Crystal Club, one of the most exclusive places on earth which I have the privilege of bringing to my audience. I wanted to show you the snootiest hotels, the snootiest concierge service on planet Earth. I'm Archibald Chesterfield III, and welcome to Crystal Club. Please like, subscribe, tell your non-Crystal Club members, tell your non-exclusive friends, tell your losers of life about my channel. I hope this works as an inspiration to all you lazy fuckers out there. Crystal Club could be within grasp if you're prepared to go the extra yard. I'm Archibald Chesterfield III, and welcome to Crystal Club, fuckers.
signing it because it costs nothing. So this is the congratulations to everybody.